You've learned how bridge pages can be useful not only for the affiliate, but for visitors too. So, how can you create that perfect bridge page? You know, the one that is beneficial to both the affiliate and the visitor. Well, first, you should always include an opt-in form on any bridge page you create. Building a list is crucial to your ongoing success because you'll be virtually immune to business-killing changes like Google Slaps and changes to the terms and conditions at various free and paid traffic sources. And in case you didn't know, you should never depend too much on any one single source of traffic. Once you have a large list built, you can depend on that traffic for quite a while. And it's much more stable than any other traffic source. A squeeze page alone can be effective, but if you're trying to promote a specific product, you could create a hybrid bridge page that combines the lead generation of a squeeze page combined with the selling power of something like a review page or a pre-sale page. So which should you use? Should you go for a review page, a comparison page, or a pre-sale page? Review pages are ideal when you have a product with a good sales page, but conversions just aren't quite what you hoped. Your review can help boost the effectiveness of the sales page's message by introducing social proof that isn't part of the product owner's own marketing. People have come to distrust a lot of the testimonials that appear on sales pages because they know some marketers solicit those testimonials from friends and other marketers. Your review, especially if you present a few negative points, in addition to the positive of course, is easier to trust. This is especially true if you have a good reputation in your field. Comparison pages are ideal if you have a large number of products competing in a specific niche. You can help people differentiate between the different products by presenting the benefits and features of each product, and do so in a format that is easy to understand. Include the various prices, as that will help visitors choose between the different products. A graphical table is a great idea on comparison pages because it makes it much easier for people to compare products at a glance, thus saving them a lot of time and speculation. And although we've touched upon this earlier, don't forget it's also a good idea to include the prices so people can decide which product offers the best value for the price that they are willing to pay. A pre-sale page is a good idea also, especially when the sales page just isn't up to scratch. A review page can be part of the pre-sale page, or it can be formatted in some other way. Maybe the sales page doesn't mention or go into enough detail about a key feature. Perhaps it's too short, or maybe it's too long. It might lack a lot of detail, and it only briefly describes the product. It could very well be that it doesn't hit the right notes for your particular audience. But a pre-sale page can be a great way to boost sales for a product that has a sales page that just isn't working as well as it should. When you create a pre-sale page, be sure to make some notes on what you feel the sales page does well and what it doesn't, so you can make up for its shortcomings. And be sure to include all of the information the main sales page didn't. In the next video, you're going to learn a few more reasons why you might want to use a bridge page instead of sending traffic straight to your affiliate link. And trust me, you really don't want to miss out on these. We'll see you on the next video.